I'm Mitzi Summerlin, the Director of Rhythm Masters from Lexington, North Carolina. We've been together since 1990 and shared our passion for clogging with audiences for the last 30 years. We enjoy competing and doing shows that display the heritage of traditional clogging with audiences all over. Clogging has brought me many friendships, and those friendships have turned into a clogging family. Sharing my knowledge of clogging with young kids and adults gives me great satisfaction, and you can't explain the feeling you get when that student you've been working with finally gets the step they've been working on so hard. It is truly a very rewarding experience. Please join us in celebrating the National Day of Clogging and International Day of Clog Dancing on August 8th.